This creamy barley risotto is the ultimate wholesome dinner. It's comfort food that actually loves you back. Here, hearty fiber-rich barley meets earthy mushrooms, fresh spinach and creamy cannellini beans. It's 100% plant-powered dish that is satisfying without that heavy feeling. We start by slicing or chopping one onion. Add a little bit of cooking oil to a large pan, or a bit of water if you want to make this dish oil-free. Sauté the onion until soft and starting to brown. Meanwhile, slice 400 grams of your favorite mushrooms and add to the pan with onions. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until mushrooms start to brown. Now add 250 grams of barley and 3 cups of vegetable stock or water. Season with freshly ground black pepper and salt. Cover and let simmer for about 30 minutes until barley is soft and most of the water is absorbed. To make our risotto extra creamy, we mix cashew nuts, garlic, lemon juice, nutritional yeast and some water in a powerful blender until smooth and creamy. Now we will chop 250 grams of fresh spinach. This might look like a lot of spinach, but trust me, it's going to wilt down. Now add 2 cans of cannellini beans to our barley, then our creamer, and I like to add a little bit of water to blend a cup and give it a little shake, so I don't waste any of that creamy goodness. At this point, feel free to add any dried or fresh herbs. I like French mix in this risotto. Now our beautiful spinach goes in. Give it a little mix and cook for about 5 minutes to let the spinach wilt down, but not overcook it. Our vegan risotto with a twist is ready to serve.